How to find AppTwin on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find AppTwin on Android phone. First then open settings and then just scroll down until you find apps or applications and click on it. And as you see here you will find AppTwin, or you can just type here AppTwin and here you will find it, then just click on it. And if you want to enable it, all you need to do is just click here until you want and then just wait, and that's it. Twin app created, and that's it here, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.